Hey guys, Zar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Happy Friday to you. Friday, February 21st, 2025. I actually have some appointments this morning, guys, so my Telegram group is actually closed, but I'm going to watch this for a few minutes. My starting time is a little bit up in the air, so anything can happen here, but I'm going to record as long as I can. Maybe there'll be a trade, maybe there won't, but if I have to fly suddenly, then have an amazing day. Here we go, guys. Look at the daily frame. You'll notice that we have an inside day here so far. Really, technically an up day since we did break yesterday's high by a little tick there or two. But back in yesterday's range, I'm going to consider this functionally an inside day so far. Yesterday being a wide-ranging day after starting off as an inside of an inside day, right? So it'll be the third inside day in a row. Didn't stay like that very long as we dumped really hard. Inside day on the S&P here today, guys, and really a functional inside day, but down bias on the Dow here, guys. Dow very weak this morning, and a couple of holdings really accounting for that. And here's my trading screen. There's that daily I mentioned. Here's the 30-minute bottom left, 1 minute right-hand side. Let's take a closer look at the 30-minute chart, guys. As usual, you can see that we are now pushing down here, coming in towards the opening candle. I'm going to place a temporary zone marker right there to coincide with what you're seeing happening here with those two equal body tops in that wick right there. 3 candles helping me form that temporarily. Also right at this area here, if you see, if we extended this, this is where that big drop began. So really a key zone, guys, should be there. Two sisters, guys, 1 minute chart. I'll bring you back after 2 or 3 minutes here formed, and we'll take a look at the open range. All right, guys, there's the 1 minute open range. Amplitude of 30 points, approximately. S&P way down here. 6 1/4 points for the height of the open range. I'll be patient here as always, guys. Let some candles play out. I rarely jump over the first break of the open range, for example. This is a market open play, not a open range break play. I think a lot of traders get that a little confused or mixed up and just hammer any break of the open range, and that's often a mistake. We are dropping down here pretty hard, guys. Daily body is now undecided, as you can see. Could be flipping down here for a wick fill of yesterday. That's a bearish posture coming in. Driving down on the 30, driving down on the 1, even starting in the pre-market negative moving average configuration. Tempting to flip here on the daily as well. Nothing for me to do. S&P still stuck in the open range, guys. Don't be deceived by how low we are here on the chart. This is very much an undecided opening few candles here on the S&P, as it is now the case on the NASDAQ. Back inside the open range. All right, guys, back inside the open range. Sell stop order, guys, right here. Sell stop order right now. Stop above the pivot. This could happen fairly quickly. Resolving. If we break the low, guy, this is a resolution bearish. 46 1/4 points for the stop. And I am, oops, not in yet. And I'm in. I am in, guys. Short the NASDAQ. Hope you'll excuse my raspy voice this morning, guys. Struggling a little bit here with dry air and what have you. I had some ginger tea and it was super spicy, and I wonder if that's burning my vocal cords or something. I don't know. But thanks for your patience. All right. And now, speaking of patience, now it's the patience game. Short the NASDAQ. I'm not worried about these zones here, guys. From Asia and early UK, this is just a grinding sideways passage. It's not really a key zone, but now that we've tagged it, I'm just going to remove it so you can get a better feel by looking at this entire space here. So why am I short here, guys? Well, we have an inside day with a flipping bearish body. Inside means neutral, can go long or short without any trouble. It all depends on what's happening on the lower time frame. On the 30-minute chart, prices have pulled all the way up to a very key zone from yesterday. This whole area in through here where prices drove down dramatically. It was a free fall, if you remember, yesterday morning. The same players here, guys. This is New York, right? Drove down. Here's the open on New York, driving down in line with the flipping bearish body. And then, of course, bearish coming in, impulse, corrective, impulse, corrective, impulse. Negative moving average configuration below open range, 9 below 21. EMA is dropping. New low for the session. It's a massive stack of units of conviction to go short here. Well worth flipping the weighted coin and calling heads. And there are still no guarantees because even a weighted coin can land on tails. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits. And the 2-hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even. And while I was talking, target 2 has been hit on news here at 10 a.m., guys. And so the 1.5-hour all-or-nothing trader has left the game with full profits as well. And there it is, guys. Finally, took a while, had to be a little bit patient here, but all 4 models fully profitable. I have to run to appointments now, guys. Have an amazing day and a killer weekend. Thanks for being here. Appreciate your support. Take care now.